video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Reception of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Facilities and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, please read the description box. We are taking the kind of contact this hotel. Can you visit us by connecting to the. If you have already